I believe that Fairy Meadow is one of the best suburbs in Wollongong. Why, you may ask? Well, Fairy Meadow has absolutely everything that you could want. We've got wonderful boutiques here, all the major supermarkets, terrific restaurants, superb coffee shops, and you know what? My office is even in Fairy Meadow. This home is being tastefully renovated, is 4 bedrooms and tenanted at $680 per week. The layout is perfect, with the living room flowing to the kitchen, and you have the added bonus of access to the easterly facing balcony via wonderful glassed doors. The side yard provides a great area to relax and enjoy the sun. You can easily walk to the shops, beach, and the free bus is just around the corner in this tightly held location. So if you are looking for your first home, or you want to become an investor who can achieve a great return on investment, this one is for you. Welcome, I'm Joanne Danckwardt from One Agency JD Property Agents, and you are going to love this home at 12 Cambridge Avenue, Fairy Meadow. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you soon, and bye for now.